How's it going, guys? Turtlemonkey here. Today we're going to do the 20 times. I don't really know the name of this one, but we'll call it the 20 times for now. Adjust this camera real quick. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. If any one or more of your numbers match any of the winning numbers, you win the prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal a stack of money, you win that prize automatically. Reveal a 10 times, you win 10 times shown, 20 times shown. Looks like we have 3 numbers, and then what? 15 chances to match. Let's go ahead and get started. See that, so it scratches really well. There we go. 11-1. What's our last one? 23. So we got 11-1. Michael Jordan. Think that's gonna be good numbers? We'll find out. Not so far. Got 19. Oop, gotta be careful using a 9. Nothing so far. 10 times? I got my money. Well, we win. Won at least $10. Hot damn. We got $10. Let's see if we win some more money. Hot damn. Want our money back and then some. Come on, Michael Jordan. Come on. Scratch it up. There you go. Yep. Oh well, we won. Winner, chicken dinner. Well, we won $10. Can't beat that. Hot damn, right there. You guys can see that. Can't beat that. Hot damn. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more luck.